Hello guys, welcome back at Son of Thins, but for today's video, here we're going to show you how to fix Shokz OpenFit not connecting or not charging. Now, if you're having problems with your earbuds here, how do you exactly fix this charging or connection issue? So, first thing that you want to do here is you want to check the charger. So in this case, you may want to try using a different charger or cable first, or a charging adapter here to see if the issue is with the charger itself. So sometimes the charger is going to be the problem. But if that's not the case, you want to also ensure the earbuds are seated properly. So what I mean here is you want to place both earbuds securely into the charging case here and confirm they're making contact with the charging pin. Now you may want to clean the case itself, so if there are any dirt or dust inside of it, you may want to clean that. It may be interfering with charging. Now in this case, one thing or another thing that you could try doing here is you may want to reset the earbuds. Now in this case, you want to put both your earbuds here back inside the case, and with both earbuds in the case here, you want to go and just press and hold the button on the case. So in this case, that includes this two earbuds here. So this contacts that you see here on the earbuds. So in this case, about like 15 seconds. Now you want to watch the light or the indicator like here inside. After holding the button, so the indicator light should start blinking, so signaling that the reset is complete. So again, you may need to wait the full 15-second duration here for the process to complete. But to be speaking, after that, you should be good, and that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.